Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how I make my Nigerian Banga soup. These are the recipes I will be using for my Banga soup. Goat meat, fresh catfish, sea snail, dried catfish, palm nut cream, which is the Banga, onions, dried scent leaf, locust beans, ginger and garlic, dried pepper, crayfish, curry powder, seasoning, rosemary. First, I will be cooking my goat meat. I'll add my onions, ginger and garlic, rosemary, seasoning, I will be adding little water for my goat meat to cook. I'll cover it and let it cook. The goat meat has been cooking for 40 to 50 minutes now. Now it's time for me to add the rest of my spices. I will be adding my locust beans, crayfish, dried pepper, my sea snail, yeah, I have what they call it, spices for my Banga. I forgot to measure it at the beginning of my video. Mix together. I will be adding my palm nut cream, which is the Banga. I need more water. When it's too thick, I'm going to be adding more water. I think it's too thick. I need to add a little bit more water. banga soup has been cooking for 20 minutes now. Now I will be adding my fresh catfish. I think I need another spoon. This time you'll be careful while turning it so that your fish don't get scattered. I will add my dried catfish. I will leave it to cook for 10 minutes. The banga soup has been cooking for 10 to 15 minutes now. It's time for me to add my dried scent leaf. Be careful while turning it because of the fish. Now my banga soup is ready. This is how my Nigerian banga soup looks like. If you like this video, support me by pressing like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to press the notification button. Thank you for tuning in. See you on my next video. God bless you. Love you all. Bye.